The silicone decorating bottle kits make it easy and fun to decorate cupcakes, cookies, cakes, and other pastries. Its soft silicone and accordion-style design allows for consistent, controlled dispensing of frosting. The tips are made of sturdy stainless steel and allow for many different designs. The wide opening allows you to use even a spatula to fill the bottle with up to 4 ounces of frosting. The sturdy collar keeps the bottle stable for filling. When you're finished, the silicone construction allows you to flip the bottle inside out and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning.
Spectacular two-tone icing is now within your grasp with the Lakeland Duo Colour Icing Kit. Never before has two-tone icing been this easy. A simple but effective dual compartment bag keeps the icing separate. But the magic really happens when the clever coupler brings them together in a controlled flow. The set contains 6 nozzles, a coupler set, 4 large and 4 small disposable icing bags. Our favourite combination is raspberry jam and lemon curd flavoured icing. There is no limit to the colour combinations that you could use. Switch the nozzle for a different effect and away you go. Cupcakes, birthday cakes, swirls and beautiful piping. Get adventurous with the Lakeland Duo Colour Icing Kit.
The unique trigger design provides a steady, consistent stream of icing for clean lines in one continuous motion, while the comfortable handles ensure a steady grip and protect the icing from warming up in your hands. The generous, BPA-free barrel is clear to show how much icing is left, while the plunger dispenses every last bit. The decorating tool comes with 6 large and small professional quality stainless steel tips, including a filling injector. They're all easily interchangeable, even when the tool has icing in it. The set includes a fine round tip, a round tip, a small open star, a large closed star, a large open star, and a filling tip. And the cleanup is even easier. The decorating tool comes apart for easy cleaning, and all parts are completely dishwasher safe.